You know that feeling when you're trying to keep the track of customer relationships, sales opportunities, and team communication. It might seem excessive, right? Well, today I would like to discuss something that's improving the way businesses handle all of this and more. I'm really excited to introduce you to Zoho CRM. You might be seeking how it differs from other customer relationship tools you have used. It really depends upon how effectively it integrates into your current workflow. Consider about an ordinary day. You're observing emails, following up with prospects, and seeking them to keep your team on pace. Zoho CRM nearly places every information together in one place, but its greatest benefit is that it just feels like interacting to your colleague. Let me clarify what this implies for your business. Consider starting your day and recognizing exactly where every client relationship stands. Your team's most recent interactions, scheduled follow-ups, and essential opportunities are all right there in front of you, organized exactly in the sequence that you need them. And speaking of organization, here is something unique about Zoho CRM. It adjusts to the methods in which your team really performs. Either you're a small business that is starting out or an established enterprise, the system will grow with you. It's similar to possessing an enduring business partner who actually develops alongside your company. I would like to convey an interesting story about fashion trends, an online clothing business to which it seems you might connect. They had to cope with same concern that every businesses experience, retaining tabs on interactions with customers, handling marketing, and working to improve sales. Within a few months of employing Zoho CRM, everything improved. Their customer service became more personalized. Their promotional efforts started to achieve success, and their sales team had the ability to focus on what they do best, building interactions rather than maintaining spreadsheets. Now, you are probably concentrating on the practical aspect of business. How easy is it to get started? Will your team require significant training? Here is the highlight. Zoho CRM is intended to appear effortless to use from day one. It integrates effortlessly with apps you currently use, such as Gmail and WhatsApp, and everything is accessible on your phone. So you remain connected no matter where your profession takes you. The world of business keeps evolving, but one factor continues constant: the significance of effective interactions with clients. Zoho CRM enables you to nurture this association in a way that feels natural and also efficient. It's more than just maintaining contacts. It's about developing interactions that promote your business forward. Are you prepared to explore how Zoho CRM might change your business relationship? We cordially invite you to begin your free trial version. Check out the link to get started with Zoho CRM. Your consumers are expecting to be stunned by the difference.